This is just a quick tutorial to show you how you can create your own folder in your Google Drive that you can then share with your clients. I'm also going to show you how you can actually restrict it so that only people that has access to the link can have access to your drive. So first of all, you're going to go to your Google Drive and you're going to click on New. Then you're going to click on New Folder. You're going to give it a name. You can go into your folder and then you're going to see there's nothing. I'm going to load something. New again. New folder. You give your folder a name. Give your folder a name and create. You double click on it to new. You can upload a file or a folder. For instance, I just want to do some images. I double click on it. It's going to show uploading and there it is. If I want to do another one, go on new, upload, double click on whatever I want to. It's going to say it's uploading and there it appears. So that's in your folder now. If you go back to tutorial, you go to my business. There's the 3 dots for more actions. You go to share. You can share it to specific people or you can do a copy link. Once you're ready to share your folder, you can go on to more actions. You go to share and share. Here you're going to be able to select other people. You can put in their email addresses. You can restrict anyone with a link. Copy the link and done. Anyone with a link, restricted. Copy link and done.